A good start from Mayfield with Tekno at the US Open. He TQs 3 classes and he wins Nitro Buggy and Nitro Buggy, finishing second in E-Buggy. S-Works team gets podium positions at the US Open. Volker back to success at ETS with Mugen machine. At SRC E-Track, young Domanin wins with X-Ray in Italy. Robert Batlle went to Peru and had a nice time with the locals, with the Mayako team. Tsuruta showcases different bodies by VP Pro on his Mugen and the new extra powerful Futaba CB701 servo. A strange body mount or just simply not put in place? Let's see. Designs by BT Design. X-Ray presents a GT horizontal body backstop set for the GT machines.